So when we asked general counsels who hadn't had bad experiences with law firms to which got them to terminate the relationship, whether or not they cared about internal quality controls inside law firms, they said, no, that's the law firm's problem. You know, more than 50% of them said it wasn't important at all in deciding what law firm to hire. But when we asked the same question of people who had had bad experiences with law firms, more than 2/3 of them said, yeah, it is important. Because maybe they realized that the experience that they had was in part a result of the law firm not having the right kind of internal procedures to guarantee quality service. And that that's not just the problem of individual lawyers. Now, this one is going to be hard for you to read, so let me just tell you what it says because I can't point to you on the screen. We said, when you are upset with a lawyer, what do? Not surprisingly, a lot of times they don't fire the law firm. They fire the lawyer, in a sense. They take work away from the lawyer who did the poor service. And we expected that. But what we didn't expect was, in addition to taking work away from the individual lawyer they were upset with, they often take the work away from the team or the department, who they view as partly responsible for making sure that the lawyer delivers the quality service. In other words, they view the law firm neither as just the firm as a whole, nor as just the individual, but they view it as a set of teams or departments. That has tremendous implications for you as to how you present the firm.